On the Decline of Oracles. My father kept a speckled conch by two bronze bookends of ships in sail, and as I listened its cold teeth seethed with voices of that ambiguous sea old Birkeland missed, who held a shell to hear the sea he could not hear. What the seashell spoke to his inner ear he knew, but no peasants know. My father died, and when he died, he willed his books and shell away. The books burned up, sea took the shell, but I keep the voices he set in my ear, and in my eye the sight of those blue unseen waves for which the ghost of Birkeland grieves. The peasants feast and multiply, and never need see what I see. In the temple of broken stones, above a worn curtain, rears the white head of a god or madman. Nobody knows which or dares ask. From him I have tomorrow's gossip and doldrums. So much is vision good for. Like a persistent stitch in the side it nags, is tedious. Straddling a stool in the third-floor window booth of the Alexandra house of a petit curé, I regard with some fatigue the smoky rooms of the restaurant opposite. See impose itself on the cook at the steaming stove, a picture of what's going to happen. I've to wait it out. It will come. It comes. Three barely known men are coming up a stair. This veils both stove and cook. One is pale with orange hair. Behind glasses the second's eyes are blurred. The third walks leaning on a stick and smiling. These trivial images invade the cloistral eye like pages from a gross comic strip. And toward the happening of this happening the earth turns now. In half an hour I shall go down the shabby stair and meet coming up those three. Worth less than present, past, this future, worthless such vision to eyes gone dull, that once descried Troy's towers fall, saw evil break out of the north.